Hi everybody, it's me Fermella and welcome back to my channel. And on today's video, it's going to be this aloe vera soothing and moisturizing gel. And this one is really good, they said, for priming your face. So if you're interested, I'm going to try this out as a primer. And yeah, just keep on watching. So starting off, you need to have a clean face. And I just put toner and I didn't put any moisturizing or sunscreen or anything like that. So first, I'm gonna get maybe a tiny bit and put it all over my face. So I think a little dip goes a long way. As I'm touching it, it feels tacky. And they said, you know, if you have like a tacky feeling, that's when your foundation will stick. So I only like literally just dip my finger. I know it's not sanitary, but I clean my hands. Now I've finished this one. I'm going to put my regular everyday makeup. On my everyday makeup, I don't use foundation, but since I'm going to try this one out, I'm going to use foundation. And my skin type is oily, so let's see if it controls my oil. So yeah, let's start with foundation. And I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible foundation on the shade Radiant Beige. Put a bit on my skin. So just dab. So next, I'm going to set my foundation with Nichido Final Powder. So just put a bit. So looking at it closely, I'm loving it. It looks smooth. It looks natural. So next will be my brows. I'll be using this Tarte product. I'll be using this e.l.f. contouring blush and bronzer powder. So it looks like that. It has shimmer, but it's okay. I kind of like this one. And for the blush, I'll be using two shades. The Fresh Tomato and Peachy Glow. So I'll go first with Peachy Glow. And for my lips, I'm going to use this Face Shop lip tint just to put color on my lips. So I've finished my makeup and this is how it looks right now. Looking right now, it looks really good. I love it. And I'm kind of sweaty because I didn't turn on my aircon because it will make a noise. And my mom is having music outside, so I don't have any choice. Alright, so it's been 2 hours. It's already 4:20, so it's just 5 minutes anyway. But looking at it, I'm not oily yet. Really, I'm not oily. I was sweating earlier because I was supposed to film a unboxing video, but my family is so noisy, so I stopped and maybe I'll just do it tomorrow. But I was just like sweating, like the water just came out, but there's no oils. I didn't put any highlighter on, but the glow that it gives me is really nice. So yeah, it's holding up. I still have my bronzer and blush. Alright, for my last check, this is how it looks right now and I really like it. It's not too bad for a product as a primer because it's not supposed to be a primer, but I just tried it if it works. But it does work. I get oily throughout the day, but I only blot once, and this is how it looks right now. I'm not too oily, but rather I am glowing. So yeah, I really like it. And I'm going to end it there, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to click like and subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.